Investing for beginners, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our finance and business channel. In today's video, we're going to cover the basics of investing for beginners. We'll talk about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. First, let's talk about stocks. Stocks represent a share in a company. By purchasing stocks, you become a shareholder of that company and gain rights such as voting at shareholder meetings and receiving dividends. Next up, bonds. Bonds are debt instruments issued by governments and companies to raise funds. By buying a bond, you're essentially lending money to the issuing entity, which will pay you periodic interest and return the principal at the bond's maturity. Now, let's discuss mutual funds. A mutual fund is a type of investment where the money of many investors is pooled together to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Mutual funds are managed by professional managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. Moving on to ETFs or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to mutual funds but trade on an exchange like stocks. This means that you can buy and sell shares in an ETF throughout the trading day. ETFs typically track an index, such as the S&P 500, and have generally lower management costs than mutual funds. Finally, cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography technology to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Before investing in any of these financial instruments, make sure to thoroughly research and understand the associated risks. Also, consider diversifying your investments to reduce risk. Consult a financial advisor if you need help making investment decisions. And that's all for today. We hope you found this introduction to investing for beginners helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance and business tips. See you in the next video.